Hey guys, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how can you create a Windows 11 recovery USB drive. To create Windows 11 recovery USB drive, you could follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to come to your desktop home page, and then you want to go ahead and type in recovery USB, or you could just simply type in recovery. So here you have recovery drive. You want to click on the open button and then click the open as. After which you want to make sure to run the installation, so click on OK, and then you could see this sort of page. So what you have to do is when the applications open up, window will automatically begin scanning your computer for suitable drivers. Select USB flash drive and click the next button. As you've done it, so it's gonna show you this sort of page. A window will then prompt you that the driver will be formatted and everything, and the prompted and everything on your drive will be deleted. When ready, click on the create button, and depending on the speed of your computer, this process can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes or several hours. Once done, save the Windows 11 recovery disk to save please, and that is how you'll have successfully made it so. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.